company that builds next-generation Bluetooth IoT solutions. An alarm that will literally make you stand up. And how to build a successful business alone and without money. Company.
Cassia Networks. It's a company that builds next-generation Bluetooth IoT solutions, transforming the way businesses and consumers experience IoT environments. By delivering very long-range Bluetooth, multiple connections, and edge processing capabilities to Bluetooth, Cassia Networks technology solves the final Bluetooth IoT connectivity challenges. Cassia Networks adds its patented Bluetooth functionality breakthroughs to the existing advantages of Bluetooth IoT connectivity, which include very low cost, long battery life and low power, worldwide standardization.
The Cassia AC solution enables seamless deployment and management of hundreds of Bluetooth routers connected to thousands of devices, in an enterprise environment from one centralized interface. Other advanced features include security policy management, Bluetooth locationing, seamless Bluetooth roaming and dynamic load balancing. Startup. The average American spends 26 years in bed, 6 years from which we can be assumed he puts the alarm for 5 minutes longer. Of course we're joking. But, if you're tired of sleeping through your alarms, do you hit the snooze button over and over again? Modern clocks make it way too easy for us to snooze, especially when we're in our warm cozy beds. Ruggie, its revolutionary clock will not only get you out of bed on time, you will literally have to get up. It will reward you with daily motivation to keep you out of bed, and start your mornings off right. Made with incredibly soft fleece hugged around a high-density memory foam mat, Ruggie can cheer you on immediately after you get up, motivating you to accomplish your daily goals.
We are most efficient in the morning with limited distractions and our willpower maxed. As we wake up more efficiently, we will naturally get more done. All you gotta do is plug in the batteries and it is good to go. For customized speeches you just need to plug it in computer and this easy-to-use software will pop up. It is necessary to give such an alarm clock to John, because thanks to him we are always late for our work. Here, to you.
Success story. Now, iCracked its very popular iPhone repair service. But, AJ Forsyth started iCracked from his college dorm room at California Polytechnic State University. He taught himself how to fix his own phone using parts ordered from Chinese e-commerce site Alibaba, and decided it had the makings of a solid business. He had his frat brothers help market the first version of iCracked with flyers made in paint, and the rest is history.
Today, iCracked sends one of its 1,600 certified iTechs across the country straight to customers on demand, to help them fix their phones for a flat $100. Interestingly, iCracked takes none of that money from the techs, they just sell them the parts to do the fixing. It's working too, as iCracked boasts that it makes $25 million in annual revenue. This story is a terrific example how to build a successful business from scratch. Not having an initial capital, only the idea and the belief of oneself. That has all for now. Next time, we'll tell you even more exciting stories. See you later.